Hello children, welcome to the class once again. Let us see new chapter lesson number 9, then remaining lessons in today's session. Lesson number 9, the United Nations Organization. Let us mark the answers. A1. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. 1. Olive. 2. World. 3. 1947. 4. Roosevelt. 5. League of Nations. The answers are, the numbers are marked, you also mark it. Next B. 1. Which of the following countries is not a member of the UN? Here all the three countries are members of the UN, so need not mark anything. The question is, which of the following countries is not a member of the UN? So we can't mark anything because all the three are members of the United Nations. 2. French. 3. Taiwan. Next C. Connect the following by writing the correct letter in the box. 1. F. 2. C. 3. A. 4. G. 5. D. 6. H. 7. B. and 8. E. Next D. Write true or false next to each statement. 1. False. 2. False again. 3. True. 4. True. 5. False. 6. False. 7. True. 8. True. Next E. Cancel the wrong alternative in each of the following. 1. 1944 cancel. 2. Geneva cancel. 3. 1945 cancel. 4. 7 cancel. 5. Washington cancel. Next is F. Match the following by writing the correct letter in the box. 1. C. 2. E. 3. B. 4. A. 5. D. Next is G. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. So just to mark the answers, then learn. 1. Try-give leave. 2. 10th December. 3. General Assembly. 4. 5 years. 5. 15. 6. 2 years. 7. Security Council. 8. IMF. 9. UNIDO. 10. Geneva. 11. English and French. 12. 5. 13. 1. 14. ICJ. 15. 1975. These are the answers. Next, lesson 10, the human body. Let us mark the answers. A. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. 1. 1.5 kg. That is a human brain weight about 1.5 kg. 2. Cerebrum. 3. Medulla. 4. Again cerebrum. 5. Cerebrum. Next is B. Write true or false next to each statement. 1. True. 2. False. 3. True. 4. False. 5. False. Next, teeth. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. 1. Crown. Here is crown. 2. 3. Root. 4. 5. Enamel. 6. Incisors. 7. 20. 8. Pulp. You can see the numbers written here. According to that, you write the answers. Next is B. Under each, write the correct name from the box. Name of the teeth. These are teeth, and this teeth is molar. See? Molar. This teeth is incisors. And this is canine teeth. Next, C. Tick the correct option. 1. Gums. 2. Dentist. 3. Once in a lifetime. 4. Wisdom teeth. 5. Grind. 6. Baby teeth. These are the answers. Next is lesson number 11, books and authors. Let us mark the answers. A. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. 1. Karl Marx. 2. Rabindranath Tagore. 3. Arthur Conan Doyle. 4. Tulsidas. 5. Chaucer. 6. Hitler. 7. Charles Dickens. 8. M.K. Gandhi. 9. Daniel Defoe. 10. William Shakespeare. Next is B. Give each writer his first name by writing the correct letter in the box. 1. D. 2. A. 3. G. 4. C. 5. F. 6. B. 7. E. Next is C. Write each of the following under the proper heading. So here they are given heading novel, poem, drama. These are the writers' names. So what they wrote in novel, those who wrote the novel, those who wrote the poem, those who wrote the drama. The names are given here. These are the answers. 1. Those who wrote novel, The Godfather, Cry, My Beloved Country. 3. Animal Farm. 4. Guide. 5. Treasure Island. Then in the poem side, Daffodils, Paradise Lost, The Hound of Heaven, Ancient Mariner, The Memoriam. In Memoriam. Then drama. Arms and the Man, Dr. Faustus, Antony and Cleopatra, The Rivals, Twelfth Night. So these are the divisions of novel, poem and drama. From this you have to divide and write. These are the answers. Next is D. Combine by writing the correct letter next to each. 1. C. 2. A. 3. D. 4. B. Then E. To which country did each of the following writers belong? Choose from the box and write the name next to each. 1. Ireland. 2. France. 3. Russia. 4. Germany. 5. America. 6. England. Then F. Who created the following characters? Write the correct letter in each box. 1. D. 2. F. 3. A. 4. G. 5. B. 6. C. And 7. E. These are the answers. Next is lesson 12. Who is who? A. What are they famous for? Next to each, write the correct answer from the box. 1. Novels. 2. Acting. 3. Music. 4. Dance. 5. Fables. 6. Beauty. 7. Sailing. 8. Philosophy. 9. Painting. 10. Social work. The numbers are written here. You can all just see and write against the names. Next, B. Cancel the odd one in each of the following. 1. C. 2. Again C. 3. B. 4. A. 5A. 6. B. These are the answers. Next exercise C. Write the following names under the proper heading. So there are so many names are given, and they are given 4 headings: sailors, politicians, scientists, poets. And you have to see the names and put according to their title. Sailors means Columbus, James Cook, they are all sailors. Then politicians, Fidel Castro, Bismarck, these are all politicians. And scientists, Isaac Newton, Graham Bell, Ronald Ross, these are scientists. Then poets, Alexander Rose, Homer, these are all poets' names. So these are the answers of this exercise. Next, lesson number 13, famous monuments. Let us see them. Let us mark the answers. A. Some historical monuments and their locations are given below. Connect them by writing the correct letter. 1. F. 2. H. 3. A. 4. C. 5. J. 6. D. 7. 1. Rather I. 8. B. 9. E. 10. G. Next is B. Write true or false next to each. 1. F. 2. True. 3. Again true. 4. False. 5. False again. 6. True. 7. True. 8. False. 9. True. 10. True. These are the answers. Next C. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers from the box. 1. Jane. 2. God. Sorry. Goa. This is Goa. 3. Hyderabad. 4. Golden Temple. See? Golden Temple. 5. Kailash Temple. Kailash Temple. 6. Puducherry. 7. Jerusalem. 8. Big Ben. These are the answers of these questions. Next is D. Cancel the wrong alternative in each of the following. 1. Tokyo. cancel. 2. Fleet Street, cancel. 3. Bethlehem, cancel. 4. London, cancel. 5. India, cancel. 6. Jerusalem, cancel. 7. New York, cancel. 8. Mediterranean Sea, cancel. 9. Hotel, cancel. 10. New Delhi, cancel. 11. 1190, cancel. 12. Silver, cancel. These are the answers. Next, lesson number 14, the world of science. A. Write true or false next to each statement. 1. F. 2. False. Number 2. True. 3. False. 4. False. 5. False. 6. True. 7. True. 8. True. 9. False. 10. True. Next, B. Match the following by writing the correct letter in the box. 1. E. 2. G. 3. A. 4. J. 5. C. 6. I. 7. D. 8. F. 9. B. 10. H. These are the answers of this exercise B. Next is C. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box given below. 1. Opaque, opaque. 2. Energy, energy. 3. Radiation, radiation. 4. There is 4. Home. 5. Earth, earth. 6. Moon, moon. 7. Evaporation. 8. Translucent. These are the answers. Then D. 1. Liquid state. 2. Opaque. 3. Convex. 4. Hemoglobin. 5. Nerve cells. 6. Organ. These are the answers. Mark and learn. Next is lesson number 15, geographical terms. A. Connect the following by writing the correct letter in each box. 1. F. 2. E. 3. B. 4. G. 5. D. 6. H. 7. A. 8. C. Next, B. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. 1. Cataract. 2. Basalt. 3. Igneous. 4. Lithosphere, lithosphere. 5. Lagoon. 6. Tundras. 7. Pampas. 8. Nimbus. 9. Fossils. 10. Archipelago. 11. Atoll. 12. Man-made, man-made. So these are the answers of this exercise. Next is C. Fill in the blank, fill in the missing letters using clues given below. Number 1. It is molten rock under the earth, magma. 2. hydrosphere. 3. Weather. 4. Equator. 5. Tributary. 6. Troposphere. 7. Isobars. 8. Epicenter. 9. Atmosphere. 10. Loam. So like this one you have to fill it. Okay children, with this our first term syllabus is complete. So mark the answers and learn them. Before the examination you will be having tests, so be ready, and the lessons will be announced later for the test. So without failing, learn the answers and get ready for the exam. Thank you.